You might ask, can Dogelon Mars hit 1 cent, which explicitly is genuinely critical, or then again could Elon at any point coin, especially arrive at 1 penny, which especially is genuinely huge. There are really numerous image coins like Shiba Inu coin, Kishu Inu coin and Child Doge that are expecting to sort of defy expectations and especially arrive at a value focus of 1 cent, making financial backers sort of wealthy incredibly. Dogelon Mars in a real sense is an image coin that in a real sense was brought into the world after the outcome of dogecoin, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. One more motivation of Dogelon Mars truly is the extremely rich person business head honcho Elon Musk in a significant manner. The name of Dogelon Mars certainly is the combination of dogecoin and Elon Musk, as well as his blemishes project in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Today Dogelon Mars explicitly is one of the most famous image cryptos in the market in a significant way. Be that as it may, this most certainly is very commonly impossible on account of Dogelon Mars due to its 1 quadrillion symbolic inventory. In the event that the Dogelon Mars by and large were to in a real sense reach 1 cent at this moment, the market cap would especially be more than $5.5 trillion, while outperforming the market cap of Bitcoin, which truly is very critical. However, there most certainly is a token consuming procedure that can make all that could be within reach in the crypto market. Here we will attempt to dissect the capability of the Dogelon Mars coin, or so they in every practical sense thought. Could Dogelon Mars at any point commonly hit 1 cent in 2023? As the Dogelon Mars coin siphoned enormously in 2021, numerous crypto dealers especially are interested to know, regardless of whether the Dogelon Mars token can contact 1 cent. According to our cost examination, there for the most part is no exceptionally signal that the Dogelon Mars coin can by and large reach 1 cent in the extremely next 10 years, or so they thought. Be that as it may, in the crypto market, everything really is conceivable, or so they basically thought. As we really have found in the especially beyond an exceptionally extraordinary bull rally or truly bear rally, can whip all the cost expectations in a flash. With people group support and new postings on premium crypto trades, the Dogelon Mars coin may in every practical sense hit its 1 cent focus before our Dogelon Mars cost forecast in a significant manner. The in every practical sense, long-haul money growth strategies in Elon coin look encouraging, most certainly because of its local area support, or so they thought. The Dogelon Mars extremely token has an essentially solid local area backing, so it can complete a few additional zero from its exceptionally current cost in the really next 4 to 5 years incredibly. Token consuming in an adequate number of sums may likewise expand the worth of the Dogelon Mars coin in a for the most part huge manner. As per our drawn-out Dogelon Mars coin cost gauge, the worth of the Dogelon Mars coin can basically cross the most extreme value level of $0.000000595 in 2023, which really is very critical. Notwithstanding, the Dogelon Mars Elon esteem really is supposed to proceed to extend in a significant manner. As a matter of fact, assuming you will hold Dogelon in the sort of long haul, it can astound you, which basically is very critical. Could Dogelon Mars at any point in a real sense hit 1 penny in 2025? There generally are numerous conditions that can especially lead Dogelon Mars to contact its 1 penny cap in the very following couple of years, or so they thought. However, our genuinely current cost gauge demonstrates no sign that can lead the Elon coin to contact its 1 penny focus in 2025 in a by and large enormous manner. Nonetheless, a tremendous coin consuming and premium trade posting can especially make it really conceivable. According to the essentially current symbolic stockpile, it's fundamentally almost beyond the realm of possibilities for Dogelon Mars crypto to for the most part hit a $0.1 cap in 2025. Yet, in the event that crypto financial backers most certainly put stock in the task, the Dogelon Mars may especially give them an attractive return in 2025. There is a bull rally likewise expected before 2025, and the sky is the limit in the crypto market in a by and large huge manner. Might Dogelon Mars at any point hit 1 cent or $0.1 in 2030? After such a long excursion, in 2030, genuinely numerous cryptos especially will hit their new all-time highs, which generally is very huge. According to our cost figure, there is no sign that the Elon coin can hit 1 cent or $0.1 in 2030, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. According to our cost examination, in 2030, the in every way that really matters greatest cost of Dogelon blemishes can be around $0.0011. In the event that Dogelon sponsor or designers can in a real sense consume its half of token stockpile, it might hit a 1 cent cap in 2030 in an essentially significant manner. In any case, for the $0.1 cap, we want to, in every practical sense, stand by a few basically more years, in spite of prevalent thinking. Remember that the image-based cryptos sort of are very unpredictable resources, and as a rule, they can truly have a high by and large symbolic stock, or so they especially thought. The truly greatest symbolic stockpile of Dogelon generally is just excessively extremely high to help the cost target. So the 1 cent cost target, in spite of prevalent thinking, essentially in 10 years, genuinely such an objective is beyond difficult to hit in an unpretentious manner. Notwithstanding, on the off chance that kind of current development proceeds, the worth of Dogelon Mars coin will sort of proceed to extend in an essentially large manner. As a matter of fact, at the point when Dogelon Mars will reach $1 amazingly, the sort of long-haul cost expectations for cryptos certainly are difficult, as their costs rely upon no precise sources, in spite of mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, with some specialized examination and the previous exhibitions of the cryptos, we can figure its future presentation, which especially is genuinely huge, as we can see that the Dogelon damages need just about 15 to 20 years to raise a ruckus around town of $1. According to our drawn-out cost figure for the Dogelon Mars, the elon coin basically will fundamentally hit $1 in 2040 in an unpretentious manner. In any case, as we told above, nothing by and large is sure in the crypto market, so Dogelon might hit its objective before the given time, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. A genuinely impressive bull rally essentially whips all the cost expectations in a flash, or so they thought. Is Dogelon Mars fundamentally protected to really put resources into, or so they generally thought? For a drawn-out venture, Dogelon Mars unquestionably can basically hit all things considered amazing costs. According to some market specialists, Dogelon Mars worth generally is supposed to keep on growing, which is genuinely critical. Notwithstanding, there in every way that really matters, is in every case a gamble to crypto speculations, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Furthermore, in the event that it especially comes to image coins, it very well may be somewhat more hazardous in a for the most part significant manner. There especially are in every practical sense many elements that make Dogelon Mars coin well known. Yet, Dogelon Mars basically is moderately another image coin that totally relies upon its for the most part own local area. Appropriate gamble the board basically is fundamental prior to settling on any speculation choice in Dogelon Mars coin, or any genuinely other crypto, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Is Dogelon Mars a siphon and dump in an exceptionally significant manner? Dogelon Mars frequently acts like a siphon and dump, so generally decide to really contribute in the event that you're genuinely prepared for this in a significant manner. The people group of Dogelon Mars financial backers in a real sense is serious areas of strength for exceptionally